Comms.
Comms? Yeah, comms. Hit the comms.
Hold on.
Oh, and there's a
no,
fucking
sorry.
one.
Use your binos. Lower the this. You need to find the look west. We need to find their material store.
You Kamek, you gotta tell me if someone comes up.
Yeah, don't worry.
I have no clue what I'm looking for.
You know the material
More things that look like what's in front of us?
Transportations. No,
Is it more
we want like the pallets, the big pallet-looking things. These are fine too, though. But the pallet things are better.
Dead.
I don't see anything yet. You have to go into the facility.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a warden in there.
Start shooting the gate.
There's a warden in there. He might be trying to grab 18. He's got 18. He's got 18.
Good dodge.
No. Oh.
Back up, back up, back up.
Okay, I hit the center one. Hit one of them.
Yeah.
Go, go, left.
Yeah, right there.
Right there. That's what you wanted me to find. They have the trucks over it to try and hide it.
Oh, get. Something's behind us.
There's a warden behind us.
Don't worry about it.
I don't have a gun to hit him anyway. Oh, warden. Break one.
Fuel modification center also. Let's kill that after.
Oh, guy in there. Come on. Oh, he missed. Oh, got it.
First one, second one.
Oh, God, yes.
Hold on. Star, get that repair.
Yeah, I'll try and cover you guys. Keep it. No, Lucky, I don't care.
Keep.
Lucky,
you gotta.
I can't emphasize how much that's right now.
I'll repair it.
We're good. It's only 12.7.
It's 30 millimeter.
Yeah, no, it's 12.7. Keep shooting.
We go after the mod center after this. Advantage?
You go at it.
Maybe one more.
It's like, yeah, right there.
Good sight.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, I bled out. Lucky should have enough.
Dead.
Nice, killed it.
And then if that's it, let them be an idiot.
I'm dead.